Hi, M5649. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, ma'am and sir. I'm Cornelia Juarez Sinoncilio. I'm 46 years old. I'm happily married. I have five children. One boy 23, girl 15, boy 12, girl 9, and the last is 4 years old.
Which is boy, right?
Yes.
Okay, your religion
I am a Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
I'm finished graduate at high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Kuwait, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I cook, I clean all the house. I have a pet care, and it's a dog.
How many dogs?
It's 12, and I take care of the baby.
Which is 1 year old, right?
Yes, 1 year old.
And you are also car washing.
Yes, I also wash the car of
How
my.
many car do you car wash?
Sometimes two, but if they only use the one, only one.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of 1 year old baby girl, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for this baby?
Yes, ma'am. I wash my hand. I wash the bottle. I steam the bottle, the baby. I put the milk and I put the warm water. I shake well, and I check the temperature of the milk, and I give to baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, or I check the stomach if she hungry, and then I check the diaper.
Okay, if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper, the temperature, or the stomach of the baby, maybe the baby is hungry, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry
Yes.
doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my madam.
And what will you say to
I
your
will
employer?
tell to my madam the baby is not stop crying, and
Okay.
I do all the although I check all the what I need to check for baby.
But the baby doesn't stop to cry.
Yes.
Because you have to call first your employer because maybe the employer know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to work Hong Kong because I want to help my family for the needs and for my children and studying.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If I want is 2 years, or and then the employer they want me, it's okay. I will continue the contract.
So it's okay to extend your contract if your employer
Yes.
wants you to extend.
Yes.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitors or they were asking to go inside of the house of your employer and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
No, I will call my employer to tell there have people outside, and they know, and but even they know, I will not go enter in the house.
Okay.
I will tell to wait for her.
Okay, you will wait for the
Yeah.
employer.
Yes.
And if your employer said that they don't have any visitors that day, what will you do?
I will lock the door. I will lock the door, and then if I see that is not stop, go to the place of our house, I will call the police, or I
Okay.
will tell to my employer.
Okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people that your employer doesn't know, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No.
But it's okay to you to learn.
Yeah.
And how will you learn to cook?
If they want if my employers teach me how to cook, it's okay. And then if they don't me
Don't have time to, if they don't have any time to teach you how to prepare
I will
food,
see in the YouTube.
okay, you will see in the YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, it is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your, it is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes.
How about work on Sunday or on a holiday set up by your employer?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
It's okay.
So it is okay with you. If there is any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yeah.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My message is to my employer, first of all, I want to thank you that she take me as her employer. I will thank you a lot, and then I will promise I will do all the best. I will do all the best my work. I will do all what she want to do.
Okay, so can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations?
Yes, I
of the
will
house?
follow the rules and regulations.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Cornelia. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you also.